have to get ready really fast because I have family over. I slept in. My baby was up all night. So I don't know how girls do their makeup and talk in front of the camera like this. Maybe I just can't multitask. Please don't fall. Okay. Today or tomorrow, no. This week I have to spot treat my towels because they have makeup on them. Spots. So hopefully I can get rid of those, or maybe we just get new towels.
I'm on the vacation calendar. It's just there's been.
Today I want to wear heavy makeup, so okay. My arm's tired already. What the hell? I realized I don't need that much contour. Just enough. Okay, maybe I should just not move my arms so much. Okay, I'm just gonna darken the little part here. Does that hurt?
Baby. Hey.
Hey! I'm gonna layer on my blushes so that they don't wear off during the day. I'm gonna do a very small dot of concealer again. here just to blend the lines of my blush. A blush brush, but I'm gonna use it to set my makeup. A very natural pink flush. I'm gonna use 2 setting sprays today just to blend all that together. So for my brows, I really just want to do a skinny brow. Let's see if I can use this. Guide. Can't do a skinny brow because my eyebrows have grown out. Don't fall. Eyes are all cross-eyed when I do my left side. So if anybody else's eyes does this one time in middle school, this kid at my school made fun of me for my cross-eyes. My husband could come and get my baby ready, but he's waiting for me to do it. The beauty of spoolies. Hey, that rhymed. I want my brows to look like I put them on, you know? I've been really liking a skinny wing. Fake eyelashes, so natural. Oh no, it's going too high. Let me fix it.